Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll on Discord. What you have to do first is go to a text channel on Discord and then click this plus icon next to the message box. What you have to do next is click on Create Poll and this window opens up. At the top box, you type in whatever question you want to ask. And then on the bottom boxes, this is where you add in your answers. If you want to add another answer, you can click on Add Another Answer button, and you can add up to 10 answers. To change the emojis on the answers, just click on the smiley face right here. And you can select either your server emojis or the emojis that come with Discord for free. So let's say this one, and this one, and then this one. And then you can allow people to answer multiple times or make them select multiple answers, but typically you have this off. And then we click on post, or before that, we can change our duration to our poll. We can select an hour, 4 hours, 8 hours, up to 1 week. Then let's click on post. Then after that, our poll on Discord is now created. Click on vote, and just like that, you have now created a poll on Discord. And that will be it for this video. And if you like the video, click on that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching.